Hi, my name is Garrett Nobles.
And my name is Gabriel Bizi, and we are both juniors at Cypress High School, located in Cypress, Texas.
We are in the secondary division, HOSA area number 2, and HOSA chapter 61266.
And today we are here to present to you guys our new medical innovation called distro pump.
So what is DMD? DMD stands for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, a rare X-linked recessive disorder that primarily occurs in boys. It is a severe disorder that causes progressive muscular weakness in many areas in the body. And as you can see in the diagram to the right, we have a bunch of muscles that are affected by DMD. And since it's X-linked recessive, this means that boys are most likely to get it since they only have one X chromosome.
In addition to skeletal muscles being affected, the real deadly causer of many deaths with patients that have DMD is when DMD goes directly into the cardiac muscle. Usually when it goes to cardiac muscle, it will cause structural damage and muscle degeneration, which will completely stop blood flow to the rest of the body and sadly kill the patient. In the diagram you see right there is basically the normal way that our muscle cells work. When you look at the image, you see a beaded chain called dystrophin. Dystrophin is a group of proteins that are found in most of your muscle cells. So how is DMD related to dystrophin? Well, DMD is caused simply by the lack of dystrophin. Patients with DMD have some sort of genetic mutation, like the deletion of exons in their DNA, which sometimes can lead to the lack of dystrophin and parts of the dystrophin gene to be completely deleted. When it's deleted, the critical structural role of dystrophin is completely taken away, which leads to muscular damage throughout the patient's body.
Current treatment options for DMD. First of all, we have corticosteroid therapy, such as prednisone and deflazacort. We also have gene therapy. And lastly, we have occupational therapy and physical therapy. And by looking at these, you can get a common theme in that this is all temporary. There's no real solution that's long-term that will be reliable that can truly help a patient with DMD in their everyday life.
So what is our product? Our product is called DistroPump. DistroPump, simply put, is a dystrophin monitor and distributor for patients suffering with DMD. And to the left is a picture of our exhibit for DistroPump. When we look into the parts of DistroPump, here are the ones listed. One, the needle for insertion. Two is the monitor or the blue region of the distro pump on the image to the right, the one located in the model of the torso. Inside of it has a battery, pumping mechanism, and a computer slash microchip. Inside also contains the reservoir for synthetic dystrophin that can be made in medical laboratories, a Bluetooth receiver, and a sensor. What basically happens is the reservoir for synthetic dystrophin is held in order for distribution of dystrophin by a physician or a parent of the patient to be in use, which will add dystrophin to the patient who lacks it. Also, with the monitor, it completely will track the levels of dystrophin since different patients have different levels of it and usually different symptoms. Some are more severe than others, and some are way less severe, mostly related or can be related to the levels of dystrophin inside of the patient's body. And with the Bluetooth receiver, patients with electronic devices like a smartwatch or any cell phone can use it to track the levels of dystrophin to see their progress throughout the years and months of using this product.
So why is dystrophin needed? Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a disorder with no reliable treatment, as I said earlier. But with dystrophin, this will completely revolutionize the medical field and the medical field for those who have DMD. This will finally give them a long-term and reliable solution to their problem, which is Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and them not being able to use any of their muscles. So with the lack of dystrophin, they basically at one point have no use of their muscles. But with DMD, they will be able to insert dystrophin directly into their bloodstream that will then give them the ability to use their muscles again and have all of their muscles functioning properly. So this will basically allow them to lead a normal life like any other person or kid or just adult.
And finally, let's say thank you for the judges of taking their time to watch our presentation on our product, DistroPump.
Thank you.